Day 4. Here's our breakfast soup with some raw cheese in it for the littles. They were really craving cheese, and they said they were craving chili, so I'm going to try to create a chili for dinner. You want chili?
Cheesy.
Yeah, cheesy chili. Lunchtime. Here's Ruben's plate. Here's Becky's plate. And we'll have some broth. Here's mine. I'm moving on to stage 2, which is an egg yolk in my soup. There's Daddy's over there. You guys like your lunches?
I like this one, Daddy.
So the kids are having cheesy chippy chili, Gap style. These are made with tiger nut flour, which is, it's actually a nut. So I think they would be allowed on the full Gap's diet, but I'm not sure. And they have some raw cheese to put in their chili. And I made their chili with tomatoes because that's what they're used to. And then I made mine with pumpkin, no tomatoes because we can't do nightshades. So there's ours, and here's the kids with the tomatoes.
I dip my cheesy chippy chili into my poo-poo. You don't say